beauties, it's me, Allegra. I'm hopping on today to answer the question, what mascara is best? And I'm also going to share some tips and tricks on how to apply mascara. Now, there are so many incredible new formulations out now of different mascaras. There's so many different types of mascaras, but today I'm just going to share overall what mascara has just blown me away. And I recently tried it and I just could not believe the results. So that's why I was super excited to come and share with you beauties today what I think is the best mascara out there currently. So let's just dive right in. I can't wait to share with you what this mascara is. So beauties, I recently had the opportunity to try the Rare Beauty Perfect Strokes Universal Volumizing Mascara. Now, this mascara is so phenomenal, and why I think it is better than all the other mascaras on the market is that it truly lengthens, volumizes, yet it is not clumpy whatsoever. It makes your lashes look so long, it's weightless, and I have not found it to smudge or transfer onto my face in any way whatsoever. I've been wearing this out in the hottest of hot weather and it stays put. It makes me look more wide awake. It makes your eyes look so much bigger because it just gives you tons of lashes. So I used to be a person that was addicted to wearing faux lashes, and since wearing this mascara, I have not felt the need to wear faux lashes anymore. It just truly gives you such an amazing lash effect that you don't even feel the need to reach for fake lashes. Now, especially if it's hot where you're at, if it's the summer where you're at like it is for me, then you don't really want to be even having anything heavy on your eye like a faux lash. But with this mascara, you get the faux lash effect, but it is completely weightless, and again, did not smudge or transfer onto my face in any way, shape, or form after I had worn it for quite a few hours. Now, there are some amazing mascaras on the market. I personally also really love the Pat McGrath mascara. I also love the Fenty Beauty Hella Thick mascara. But these mascaras are a little bit more pricey than the Rare Beauty. Surprisingly enough, the Rare Beauty mascara retails for only $20, and you can also get a mini version for $11. So it is almost basically a drugstore priced mascara, because so many of the drugstore mascaras out there are going for $12.99 and up. And they are really phenomenal. There are some phenomenal drugstore mascaras out there. I know I also recently tried the Makeup Revolution 5D mascara, and that retails for $10, and that is a phenomenal mascara. It truly does thicken and lengthen and give you tons of lashes. So that is also an incredible mascara, and it is half the price of the Rare Beauty. But now, if you can spend a little more, the Rare Beauty, in my opinion, is completely worth it because of how natural it looks. It's not clumpy. In comparison, the other mascaras that I just previously mentioned are clumpier. This one from Rare Beauty does not look clumpy on your lashes whatsoever. It's very unique in that way. I also love how this Rare Beauty mascara has castor oil in it, which lengthens and conditions and nourishes your lashes. And some people even say that castor oil promotes lash growth. So I haven't experienced that yet, but I can definitely say that it feels nourishing. It feels moisturizing to my lashes. I haven't experienced lash fallout since using this mascara, so it's definitely not drying. It's definitely nourishing, and it's definitely a comfy mascara to wear on your eyes. It's also very easy to remove, so you're not going to be tugging on your eye. You're not going to be pulling or having to use a lot of effort and strain and irritating your eyes when you try to remove this Rare Beauty mascara, because it comes off very easily. And I also have super sensitive eyes, and I have not found this mascara to irritate my eyes whatsoever, so that is another huge bonus. It truly seems to give every single lash more volume, more lift. It is just such a beautiful and also natural effect. So it really truly looks like your lashes, but better. It looks like you just naturally have these long, luscious, gorgeous lashes. It looks natural. It looks like it's your own, and you know, a lot of people probably wouldn't even know you had mascara on unless you told them. They're gonna think that those are just your lashes looking all snatched and looking all voluminous and long and Bambi-like. So I do believe you will experience that volumizing effect, the curling effect, the lengthening effect. It's also long wearing, free of parabens, and it is a vegan formulation. Now it is available at Sephora, so it's pretty easy to grab if you have a Sephora near you or if you can shop online. I'll also have it linked with the shop with YouTube feature so you could shop this video directly. Now, how to apply mascara to get the ultimate lash effect. It really does make a huge difference and is worth a little bit of extra time and maybe effort that it takes to curl your lashes. Now, you don't have to curl your lashes for a very long time. 10 seconds is all you need and it will make the hugest difference in your look. You're going to look so much more wide awake. Your eyes are going to look so much larger, especially after you apply the mascara. But if you just curled your lashes and didn't even apply mascara, you would see that your eyes instantly look more wide awake and more open. It really is worth the extra time. You know, sometimes I even just do it maybe 5 seconds. I don't even know. I'm a very impatient person and I don't even know if I do it for 10 seconds. I feel like I do it for 3 seconds, to be honest. I'll just do 3 pumps and do the other eye and I'm on to the mascara because generally I'm in a hurry, so I don't even have time to probably even do 10 seconds. So if you're like me, you know, 3 seconds it's all it really takes, and you get a nice curl. And then you go ahead and apply your mascara. So you just want to start at the base of your upper lashes and swipe your brush from roots to tips. And then you can just layer until you get the desired effect that you like. I generally will do 3 coats or even 2. You know, it depends what you're comfortable with though. I do like a little bit more of a glam lash, so I will do probably 3. I'll do like 2 and then go back and do a 3rd once it's kind of dried on the eye, and then go and do a 3rd on each. For me, that really just gives me the best effect. And if you have very sparse lashes, you can volumize your lashes by starting at the lash base and pull the mascara through to the tips. If you'd like to lift and curl your lashes, you can wiggle the brush at the lash base and make sure to build volume there so your lashes will hold the curl. I also really like to hold my mascara wand vertically, so I will turn it this way and kind of work the mascara into each lash. So I start by doing it the traditional way from the base to the tip, but then I do like to go in and kind of touch each one with the wand vertically, and then I'll do the same on the bottom like so, and you'll just wind up with so much lashes, so much volume to your lashes, you truly will not believe it. And you know, this mascara is so easy to use. As you can see, I didn't even use a mirror just there because it never splashes out. Too much product never comes out. I think it's because of the way the wand comes out of the tube. It kind of sucks off any excess product, so you won't wind up with mascara splashing onto your face, which is something that I've had with many other mascaras. Almost every mascara out there will kind of splash or transfer onto my face. I do have super hooded eyes, so I'm pretty sure that also has something to do with it, because a lot of mascaras will transfer onto my hooding. They'll kind of get stuck in the hooding and I'll wind up getting mascara on the hooding of my eye. But this mascara has not done that, because there are so many gorgeous mascaras out there, and if you don't have hooded eyes, they might really work for you very well. The Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara is incredible. Now, finally, beauties, when you remove your mascara, you want to make sure and remove it every night before you go to bed, and you want to be very gentle when you remove your mascara. You can use an eye makeup remover, a baby oil. I personally love to use coconut oil, and that has worked the best for me because it's so gentle on your eyes. I do have more mature skin, so I have found that other makeup removers will kind of dry the skin out, and I'll see fine lines starting to appear under my eyes or in the crow's feet area if I use too harsh of an eye makeup remover or a facial cleanser. So I like to use everything very gentle. I also do have very sensitive eyes and very sensitive skin, so I just purchase an organic coconut oil. You can pick it up at the supermarket, and I specifically use that on my eyes. It totally removes your makeup in seconds, and then I like to use a wipe actually. I'll use the coconut oil and then an Aveeno gentle wipe. I do think it's best to use a wipe because a tissue also can be too dry and tug on your eye. So you want to use something that is emollient, something that is moisturizing. Don't use anything harsh, any harsh tissues. even, you know, bathroom tissue, I have put on my eyes in a pinch and it will tug on my eyes. So I don't recommend using that. If you can, you know, once in a blue moon it's not gonna hurt, but on the regular basis it will kind of irritate your eyes and dry them out because it's just a harsh material. But if you can get a wipe like the Aveeno, which is a very gentle wipe, and in conjunction with the coconut oil, though the coconut oil is number one most important. I wouldn't even just go in with a wipe if you don't have to, because even a wipe could be too harsh on your eyes and cause dryness and cause irritation. So definitely for me, I highly recommend the coconut oil, and I think if you're like myself and you have sensitive skin and you love to wear mascara, coconut oil is the way to go. And you can get a very large bottle for $4.99 at the supermarket. So thank you beauties so much for coming and spending time with me today and checking out my review for the Rare Beauty Mascara and my tips and tricks on how to apply mascara and also how to remove mascara. So I hope you found these helpful. Let me know your thoughts on your favorite mascaras down below. I would love to try them out next. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you beauties are all doing good, and I'll see you very soon. Bye!